Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy for your online shopping adventures: how to get a virtual mastercard. If you've ever worried about sharing your real card details online, this is a game changer. A virtual mastercard is essentially a digital version of a mastercard that you can generate instantly through various apps or banks. It's perfect for secure transactions, subscriptions, or even one-time purchases without exposing your physical card info. Let's break it down step by step so you can get yours up and running in no time. First things first, you need to choose a reliable provider. Options include popular fintech apps like Revolut, PayPal, or even your bank's mobile app if they offer virtual cards. Do a quick search or check reviews to pick one that suits your needs. Make sure it's reputable and supports MasterCard. Once you've selected a provider, the next step is to sign up or log in to their platform. If you're new, you'll probably need to download the app or visit their website. Most require basic info like your email, phone number, and sometimes a quick verification process to ensure security. After signing up, verify your identity. This is crucial for safety and usually involves uploading an ID, like a driver's license or passport, and possibly a selfie for facial recognition. Don't skip this. It's what keeps your account protected. Now, fund your account. Link it to your bank or add money via debit card, credit card, or even PayPal. The amount you add will determine how much you can spend with your virtual card. Finally, generate your virtual MasterCard. In the app, look for an option to create a new card. It's often as simple as a few taps. You'll get a unique card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Some providers even let you set spending limits or make it single use for extra security. And there you have it. With your virtual MasterCard ready, you can start using it for online payments right away. It's not only convenient but also helps reduce fraud risks. Remember, always monitor your transactions and keep your app updated. If you're new to this, give it a try and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.